Hey Simple Life and welcome to our home.
Amazing, can we come in?
Yes.
So can you talk us a little bit around the interior?
Sort of all my doing really. I'm the decorator of the house. We kept the lounge quite neutral because everywhere else in the house is quite bright. Everything's renter friendly as well, so we've got the peel and stick wallpaper so it just peels off easily. It's not stuck on with any wallpaper paste.
I love this light fixture.
Yeah, we were gifted that, and we love neon signs in this house as well. We've got quite a few of those.
And the big TV there, what are you guys watching at the moment?
Killing Eve at the moment because Gary's never seen it. This is Barney. He is our 2.5-year-old dachshund who we rescued. Yeah, he's been part of the family ever since. Oh.
Clever boy. Should we go through to the kitchen?
Yeah, follow us. This is my favourite room in the house. I always wanted a really, really big kitchen with space for a dining table as well, because when we lived in our flat, it was our lounge diner, wasn't it, which didn't really work. And it's just the perfect space to have loads of people over. It's nice and bright and airy, and I really love the pink wall. And we also got a disco light as well in the main light here.
Our DIY photo frames with the sausage dog.
Neon sign gives me sort of Love Island vibes. Gary at Pulbury upholstered our chairs as well.
Yeah.
What drew you to the Simple Life property?
I wanted a brighter kitchen. Our kitchen cupboards in the flat were just this horrible yellow, weren't they? And I wanted white and clean so that then I can accessorise with the colours. So I think the good thing about Simple Life as well is that because it's sort of a managed property, anything that goes wrong, they'll fix for us, which is brilliant.
What's in the fridge?
Strawberries, cider, dog food, meat, beer.
So should we head into the garden?
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Up. We love neon signs.
So this is our garden. We've recently planted some new flowers up in the hanging baskets. Google said that they're the best ones to plant in a sun trap. So day in the garden, it comes over the top of the house, so we get it all day. And
It's good for sunbathing.
we've got my shed in the back corner. Gardening tools are kept and spare car parts.
Let's go to our bedroom.
So they're everywhere.
Who decorated in here?
Me, obviously. We had this pink bed. The walls were just really, really white. So then I bought these panelling boards from Wix that they just nail into the wall. They're really simple. Again, renter friendly, leaves like a tiny hole. But I think it gives like a hotel room sort of vibes, that bit. So, and then Gary's gran upholstered a piece of foam for us to sit on top of there. It matches our seat cushions as well.
Can we have a very quick look inside?
You can. It's a bit crammed full. It is relatively tidy actually. I have 4 pairs of Crocs.
I've got Croc slippers on.
Yeah, I got.
So this is my little safe space away from housework and adulting. A pegboard and baseball caps, my computer. That's like the festival camping hat.
This is our spare room, but sort of my dressing room as well. So this actually is a day bed that pulls out into a double. Again, I wanted it to be bright. It's got a bit of pink in it, as always. So this is our bathroom. It's a bath and shower, although we don't really use the bath very much. The cupboards are painted with a French chic, like cream colour, and then I just used their browning wax over the top to give it sort of a wood grain effect. So this is our downstairs toilet, which again I used peel and stick wallpaper. I didn't do the best job on this one, but it looks quite cool actually. This is sort of on the outskirts of Bridgewater town centre, isn't it? We've got a nice pub just down the lane, Barron, which we walk to sometimes, don't we, and go for a cider.
Yeah, so our friend lives in the Simple Life site in Highbridge, and they got us onto the Simple Life site here and recommended it to us just because how good it is for being dog friendly and sort of renter focused. And we recommended this site to one of our friends who's moved in around the corner from us.
But there are some really nice walking spots just around the area anyway. The canal path's not too far away and you can walk down towards the centre of Bridgewater, or you can actually walk to Taunton along the canal. And there's a really nice tea rooms and a really nice boat centre, which has got a pub. My favourite thing is, I know we don't own it, but when we moved into it, no one else has ever lived in it. I think that was just
we got
my
all of the
favourite
joy
bit.
of moving into a new house without the stress of buying a house.
Yeah, which we're not really in a position to do at the moment, and this works perfectly for us and our lifestyle, doesn't it? So.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you so much for coming, Simple Life. We've loved showing you around our home.